Good afternoon. Today's topic of discussion is going to be the 3 steps to win real deals that savvy investors don't want you to know about in the Las Vegas real estate market. This is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group, team-driven real estate here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So let's get started. Going to give you a quick overview. 1, you got to have a clear strategy. 2 is the front-end research. 3 is be aware of the relationships within our industry. So let's dive a little deeper on that. So first, the clear strategy. Where are you looking to purchase? What are your thresholds for the investment? Are you looking on the best cash on cash, long term? This is a very big valley with over 2 million residences with a very diverse array of products to choose from. So you have to have a clear strategy on the front end. Number 2 is the front end research that's needed. Let me give you an example here of a few homes. Well, let me back up. There are 105 bank-owned homes on the market right now. So how are you going to get through all of those and figure out what the deals are? So you're going to have to partner with somebody that's going to be doing this front-end research for you. So let me give you a couple of examples of why this is so important. You look at this specific property. It's been on the market for only 3 days, so appears to be a great opportunity, right? So I look at this and it says only the first 5 days of the listing, owner-occupants have a chance. This is an agent remarks. So this is what agents have access to. Then I print out this attachment that's put into the MLS stating from the HUD 6-page confusing form here that for the first 30 days on the market, investors are not going to be able to make an offer. So that's just one of the 105. Moving on to the next. This property, another HUD home. The bids were due back on the 23rd, still showing as active on the market. So they have multiple offers and all the bids are due back. And it's not available for investors yet. Looks like a deal, but only owner occupants. If it has multiple offers on it in this point, then an investor, you might as well move on. One last one here. Highest and best due back by Monday, 8/26 at 2 p.m. And we're at 9/2 right now. So a week ago, highest and best were due back. So chances are this one's already sold. So very important to have the research done on the front end with the specific properties. Once you've identified the property, then what's the cash on cash return going to be? What's your threshold? What's going to be needed for repairs? What's fair market value? What's the rental rates in the area? You're going to have all of that calculated. 3, let's move on to the final and most important one. The others are important, but this is, I think, the most critical. Be aware of the relationships. There's a very small group of inner circle agents and brokers that are controlling most of the sales in our valley. Are you partnered up with the right team that is part of this inner circle to help get you into it to get your offers accepted? So, in summary, most importantly is going to be having a very clear strategy of what you're looking to do. You're going to need to sit down, whether it be face-to-face or over the phone, and going over that clear strategy. That's what we do with all of our investors. So we're on the same page on the front end. Number 2, the front-end research. This form here. Put this one up on the screen, please. This form here is how we calculate the cash on cash for our investors. I'm not going to go into great detail on this, but the most important thing to note is when you're getting very clear on your strategy, these numbers are going to be reflected based on what you want them to be. So when you receive a potential deal from us via email, you know that the numbers created are validated by what you're wanting, because in the beginning, it's the standard is set for what numbers are going to be put into this form. And then the viability of the rental market in the area and the future of the area, that's critically important too, to know what's going on in the future. What may appear to be a great deal may not be one, or what may appear to not be a good deal may be one based on what's going on in the next 3 to 5 years in that area. Important to be with a professional that really knows the valley. And then 3, being in a relationship with a team that is going to help you get those deals. Critically important. We are in the top 0.01% in sales in the valley. We have relationships, and that is very important to help get you the results you want. So, in conclusion, we have about a year and a half left of this opportunity of these distressed sales. Bank-owned homes, short sale properties, they are starting to come back into the market, but there's a very limited supply. Prices are going up also. So there's going to be a limited time to get these results that you're looking for. So follow these 3 steps and you should be able to attain the goals that you're looking for. This is Dale Snyder with the Snyder Group, Team Driven Real Estate, here at Keller Williams Realty here in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you have any questions, reach out to me. If you like the video, like it, or feel free to share it with others. Have a great day.